All cats are different, and some love being pet while others don't. Before you try to pet a cat, let it sniff your hand to show that you're not a threat. If the cat backs away, flattens its ears, growls, hisses, or widens its eyes, give it some space so you don't get scratched or bitten. If the cat seems relaxed, you can try petting it. Most cats enjoy being pet on the back of the head, under the chin, and behind the ears. Some cats will let you pet them along their back too. Be gentle and pet in the direction the cat's fur grows in. A lot of cats dislike being pet on their belly, tails, legs, and paws. So try to avoid these areas.
So you found yourself a cat, but you find that it bites you when you come near it. Don't do this.
Aww.
If you're behind, that should remind that that's wrong. If you scare a cat, it'll bite. So get in front of the cat and introduce yourself and state your intention. Hello, cat. My name is Human Name, and I'm going to pet you now. Let the cat sniff your hand and begin the gentle pets. Congratulations, you are now petting a cat.